This is ferrofluid. It's a liquid that's attracted to a magnet, and it likes to form a lot of small spikes. When I pull it away from the magnet, the spikes get bigger, but when I get too far from it, they completely disappear. Ferrofluid was first invented by NASA in 1963, and it's made by suspending super small particles of iron in a solvent.
This is the funniest bank robbery I have ever heard of. Wait till the end and I promise you will not be disappointed. And as you guys know, I'm doing this all in one part, so keep up. Lawrence Ripple gave a bank teller a note saying, "I have a gun, give me money." Right away the bank teller gave him all the money that was around her, which was about $3,000. And at this point, most robbers would leave the bank, right? Not Lawrence. He took the money and then found a nice comfy chair in the lobby, which he sat down on until the police came. He was arrested by the cops, who were obviously confused until they spoke to his wife. His wife had revealed that Lawrence had left her a note saying that he'd rather be in jail than be with her. And then the judge gave him 6 months of house arrest.
Psychological tricks that will change your life. Part 7. If you whisper to somebody, they will whisper back, even if there's no reason to do so. Yo, Dad. What's up?
What in the plumber's crack is going on here? This guy's got more tape than the New England Patriots. Cheaters. He's unclogging a toilet. Push. Push. Give it chest compressions. It went down. I'll be damned.
No better way to clog a toilet than paper towels. You ever ran out of toilet paper and you use paper towels? You know damn well your toilet is about to get clogged. Let's go, baby. Oh, we're clogged. All right, that's how you clog a toilet, baby. And I don't want to hear one person talking about that doo-doo mark, okay? Your toilet's not perfect. I know y'all got doo-doo marks, too.
My damn toilet is hissing at me. Is there a snake in there, or is it pissed off that I purposely clogged it? I am so confused. I just want to say, if you're thinking about doing this at home, don't do it because it's taking a long time. Also, you run a high risk of getting pink eye.
It ain't working like it. No! Oh! It's not. Oh, back up, Gucci, back up. Oh, no, 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 no.
I don't know what happened, baby. The damn toilet sprung a leak. I don't know where. I didn't do.
Have you ever wondered what's inside a Fanta can? To make this can transparent, I first have to scrape the can to reveal the aluminum which is made of. Now I'm making a solution of sodium hydroxide, which is a drain cleaner. I add 1 teaspoon of sodium hydroxide into water, and then I add just a little more. I have to open the can so it doesn't explode when the temperature gets high. Sodium hydroxide dissolves the aluminum and creates hydrogen gas, which is explosive. Then we're left with a plastic layer that was inside the can. Also, my videos are not getting on the For You page anymore. So if you guys see this video on your For You page, please let me know and consider following me to see crazy experiments.
Here are 3 tips that could actually save your life. Number 1, if you're stuck in an elevator, do not try to pry the door open and wiggle yourself out, because that will upset the equilibrium and you will be crushed. Number 2, if you notice a car is following you, do not try to go to your house. You need to make 4 right turns in a row to see if they're actually following you. But if they are following you, you need to go to a police station immediately. Number 3, if you're outside during a thunderstorm and your hair starts doing this, you need to seek shelter as fast as you can, because you're about to be struck by lightning.
Don't do this, this is boring. You can see how the water goes up because of the partial vacuum that is created. Do it with alcohol. Just put a little bit of alcohol in the bottle. Look at the difference alcohol makes. If you guys see this video on your For You page, please let me know and follow me to see crazy experiments.
Did you know aluminum cans have a plastic liner on the inside? Not gonna lie, I'm curious to see what that looks like. Let's go. We're gonna start by making a sodium hydroxide bath. We're gonna scuff up the outside of the can with a little sandpaper and then immerse it in the sodium hydroxide bath. The reaction is between sodium hydroxide and aluminum, which liberates hydrogen gas, the bubbles you see here. It just fell over. Something happened. What? This experiment was totally worth it. Share it with someone who needs a little science in their life.
This is luminol. It's a chemical that exhibits something called chemiluminescence, and when it reacts, it can release light. To make this happen, I just have to add water to a beaker and a decent amount of sodium carbonate. Then I can add the luminol, which can dissolve in this solution. I also need to add some sodium bicarbonate, and this solution is basically ready. Now, I just need to make an iron solution by mixing together 3% hydrogen peroxide and something called potassium ferrocyanide. To make the luminol glow, I just have to mix these two solutions together.
This is the funniest bank robbery I have ever heard of. Wait till the end and I promise you will not be disappointed. And as you guys know, I'm doing this all in one part, so keep up. Lawrence Ripple gave a bank teller a note saying, "I have a gun, give me money." Right away the bank teller gave him all the money that was around her, which was about $3,000. And at this point, most robbers would leave the bank, right? Not Lawrence. He took the money and then found a nice comfy chair in the lobby, which he sat down on until the police came. He was arrested by the cops, who were obviously confused until they spoke to his wife. His wife had revealed that Lawrence had left her a note saying that he'd rather be in jail than be with her. And then the judge gave him 6 months of house arrest.